guys, it's Heidi. Welcome back to my channel. And yeah, yippee! I've I got my car back and it's going. It's starting without an issue. Anyway, yeah, it was. Hold on. It was this little thing. Um, yeah, I got full of oil somewhere along the line. I've actually do have an oil leak, not me, the car. And um, yeah, so that's what messed this thing up. Which, yeah. So I'm going to see to that oil leak in probably January or whenever. I'll get somebody to sort that oil leak out. Um, yeah, when people look at it, they think, they don't want to touch that. Anyway, um, this has been replaced. My car is starting without an issue. So I don't need the quick start aerosol can to start my car. Why is it so dark up there? Okay. Anyway, so we've got wheels again. I am so grateful. Okay, that's just a quick update. I got some supper. Went and bought some salad. Okay, guys, lots of love. Bye.